In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recap whatever you missed with AI in Slack. If you've been away on vacation, out for a long weekend, or simply focused on deep work for a few hours, it's very easy to come back to a huge pile of unread Slack messages. Instead of manually scrolling through every update, Slack AI can help you catch up much faster by generating clear summaries of what happened. One quick note before we begin. This feature is available as an add-on on paid Slack plans. So if you don't see the AI options I'm about to mention, you may need to check with your workspace admin to confirm whether Slack AI is enabled. To get started, open the Slack desktop app or sign in to your workspace in a web browser. Once you're in, look over to the left-hand sidebar and find the activity or catch-up section near the top. Depending on your workspace, this may appear as a bell icon or a sparkle style icon. Click it to open a central feed that brings together your unread mentions, direct messages, and group thread activity in one place. This is a great starting point when you want a broad overview of what needs your attention first. If you want to catch up on one busy channel in particular, click that channel in your sidebar. Then go to the top right corner of the channel view and select the recap button, which is marked with a sparkle icon. In some cases, if the channel contains unread messages, you may also see a banner at the top that says Summarize Unreads. Clicking that will do the same thing. Slack AI will open a panel on the right side and generate a structured summary with key highlights and next steps, making it much easier to understand the important updates without reading every single message. For long or messy thread conversations, you can summarize just the thread itself. Hover over the parent message that started the discussion, then click Reply in Thread to open the thread panel on the right. At the top of that thread view, click the Summarize Thread Sparkle button. Slack AI will read through the replies and give you a short summary of the decisions, outcomes, or conclusions from that conversation. This is especially helpful when a thread has grown into a long back and forth and you only need the final takeaway. You can also use Slack AI through the main search bar at the top of the app for broader recap requests. Click into the search bar and type a natural language prompt asking for the kind of summary you want, such as a recap of recent project updates over the last few days. Press enter and Slack AI can generate a custom summary at the top of your search results instead of only showing a list of matching messages. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching, and